What is the difference between a sociopath and a psychopath? Psychopath and sociopath are two words that have been very often used by the present generation. Although the exact meaning or definition of these words haven't been described in the science research literature, hence not an official diagnosis, but just two terms often used together to describe a person as antisocial or dangerously weird. Although these words are often used interchangeably, they still have minor differences between them. Sociopath, although not an official medical term, is often used for antisocial personality disorder, whereas psychopath is not related to any official medical diagnosis and hence has been very arbitrarily used for any person who is referred to as having no conscience. It is a general belief for psychology researchers that psychopaths are just born like that. We can call it a genetic predisposition, and there is no outside entity responsible for their behavior as such, whereas sociopaths are mostly influenced by their environment. It can be a family thing, or peer pressure, a childhood trauma, or not being able to fit in the society. Psychopaths are very successful in concealing their identity as such. They concoct very deep and well-framed plans to achieve their goals and do not feel any guilt whatsoever for harming others in the process of achieving their goals. They seem to be quite normal and fit in well with the society on the surface and function even better than normal people. However, they may have seemingly amazing relationships with their lover, family, and friends, but in reality, they are masterminds that drive things their own way to achieve what they want. They are extremely cunning and do not have any real feelings for their lover, family, or friends. Whereas sociopaths generally are quite often more imprudent and sporadic in their way of behaving. While also experiencing problems in having attachments to other people, a few sociopaths might feel a connection to an individual or a group that shares like personalities. Although with much difficulty, they still manage to form pure emotional attachments without harming his or her loved ones in any way, like normal relationships. Psychopaths have very shallow emotional responses and are highly impulsive with a lack of empathy. They plan a criminal activity very meticulously, with almost negligible chances of getting caught. They feel zero guilt and commit their crimes with the mindset of other people in the role of his puppets and himself in the role of God. They do not easily get agitated or nervous in the face of danger, whereas sociopaths can do criminal activity in the fit of anger, having a violent outburst without any prior planning and only when triggered, but later they may feel remorse and shame for behaving in such a way. Psychopaths like to deceive people by showing that they care and use others' feelings for their own benefit, whereas sociopaths can display through their facial expressions to other people that they do not like them at all, show anger, or even attack them physically without thinking of the consequences. With all the facade, psychopaths are more successful than sociopaths in maintaining family and work relationships.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.